The xorkeesign India G2C browser extension makes it simple to file your GST returns. It just takes 2 easy steps to get ready to sign GST returns. Add xorkeesign India G2C extension to your browser and register your DSC in xorkee. To add the extension, go to the Odyssey's homepage and click the Add button. You will be directed to the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome. Alternatively, you may install it directly from the Chrome Web Store. Firefox users can directly download it from Odyssey's website. This is a one-time activity. After adding the extension, you will be redirected to Odyssey's website. Click on Download Xorkee app button. After installation, register your DSC in xorkee by creating a xorkee handle. This is a one-time registration. You are now ready to sign the returns. Log in to the GST portal and proceed with the steps prescribed for filing until you reach the declaration page. Select the checkbox to accept the declaration. Select your name from the drop-down list. Click on File with DSC. Ensure your DSC token is connected to the PC. A warning prompt appears. Click Proceed to continue. You will receive a signing request in your xorkee app. Tap Approve on the xorkee notification and enter token password to sign. You have successfully filed your GST return using xorkeesign browser extension. You did not have to download emSigner or Java. You also did not have to go through the trouble of opening a new tab and configuring a new port every time you wanted to file a return. Your assistant or secretary can file your return in the GST portal using the xorkeesign India G2C browser extension, and the signature request will be sent to your xorkee app. You can sign from wherever you are, even using your Android phone. You may also e-verify your tax returns, associate your DSC in the MCA portal, and file your PF using the same xorkeesign India G2C browser extension. It is a one-stop solution for all your digital signature needs across all Government of India portals.